Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use my Detonator and TNT, which is basically a mod that I made for TNT and detonators. It's basically a mod that I made which lets you right click on a point with a detonator and you can go a distance away to be able to use it and detonate it from a distance. Basically just a detonator. So I'm gonna have two different ways to get it. Right now I have the remote TNT mod.zip in my GitHub that's in the description down below, and you can download that and use it. Now all these scripts in here, you could figure out how to use it yourself if you want, but I'm not gonna be showing you how to go through all the creation and the IntelliJ process because that would take a very long time. And if you want me to do that in the future, I will. But if this video reaches 100 likes, then I will make a video on how to do it yourself. But for now, I'm going to be providing a finished project. Of course, you can go download Blockbench and you can change all the textures and what the TNT looks like in the remote. I made a very basic design for now, but you could do that later. Now, IntelliJ, you're going to need this for our project. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to jetbrains.com/idea/hashtag, and you're going to want to click on download, click accept all, and then download.exe windows. And this is what if you want the ultimate version. What we're going to do is we're going to want to come down here, click download, and then choose your profile. We're going to do exe windows. This is the community version, so it's free, it's open source, everything you want in a code editor. So you download that, and then, sorry, I'm a little sick and my voice is off. So you're going to be greeted with this screen right here. Obviously you're not going to have these projects over here because I made these, but the first thing is you're going to want to go over to plugins over here and go to marketplace and search for these two plugins right here, Minecraft development and Minecraft NBT support. Make sure these are checked, and then you're going to go to the downloaded file that I give you. And when you go to the download file and you open it, this stuff right here, this is the coding. This isn't going to pop up for you. It's going to be either empty or there's just nothing, going to be nothing here. All of these are going to be closed for you too. So it's going to look like this, maybe even look like this. But no matter what, you wait because it has to import a lot of stuff. Down here, if there's like a progress bar and stuff running in the background, you wait for all of it to finish. And the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that on Minecraft, make sure you have Forge version 1.20.1 installed and Forge 47.2.1. So Minecraft 1.20.1, Forge 47.2.1. And you're going to go to your build.gradle and you're going to do in here, you're going to do /gradle clean and press enter. Now it's going to go through all this and you should see build successful. If you do not see build successful, you probably have an issue with your Minecraft version in general or something just wrong with this. Now, in order to fix that, you can either tell me in the comment section, or for a faster way to fix it, what you're going to want to do is I'm going to close this real quick, and then you want to ask the AI chat, like if you're going to have an error here or here in the terminal or anywhere else, wherever you have an error, copy, paste it in here, and it will tell you exactly what to do. You just follow along with that, okay? But the next thing that you want to do is do /gradlu and then build, which will do all this, and it will build a file, and that file will be located in your PC /downloads and then /whatever you name the project /build. And once you're in here, you want to go to libs, and then your .jar will be here. So after you have your .jar, you can minus out of that, open up the Minecraft launcher, make sure you're on Forge, this version and everything. You can click on play. Now, after the game has loaded, you're gonna get the loading screen and all that, and you're gonna want to open up, when the game loads, you're gonna have the option to click on mods. Wait for it, don't worry about this right now. This is for a different mod I had. You're gonna click on mods and then open mods folder. That's gonna open up a folder right here. It's gonna be in all your stuff. And you're gonna wanna go to libs, you're gonna wanna drag this from the libs, and you're gonna wanna drag it into your mods folder. Just drag and drop, that's all you have to do, drag. And after you do that, click on done, close the game, minimize that, you can minimize that, reopen the Minecraft launcher, Then you can click on single player, create new world if you want, and name it YouTube tutorial, game mode, creative, yeah, create new world. Okay, now after you're in your new world, what you want to do is you want to click on E to open your inventory, go to combat, and go all the way over here. Now you can right click it anywhere in the area again, detonate it. Or if you say you have another TNT you want to detonate, you can link it to that one, and then you can fly away, explode it, just like that. You could obviously change the explosion size to whatever you want, and I'll show you how to do that in a little bit, but that's basically how it works. You have TNT and you have a detonator, and yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna close all of these up here. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep some of these open. You can close these, don't need these. This is the remote, obviously, and this has all the information to the remote. Now this is all the text is saying it, and this is how it actually works. You can go more into detail on this when or if I make a video explaining about how I make all this, and if you want to do it yourself. And then you have the super TNT block. This is the block. Now this detonate, this is the explosion. Now this number you can change to whatever you want. This is the how big or how small you want the explosion. If you want it to be small, you go less. If you want it to be big, you go higher. I'm at 100, and what you saw right there was the explosion at 100, and that was a pretty big explosion. Now if your game lags and you don't want it to lag, then I would consider making it a little smaller, and the detonator themselves, so you have to worry much about these. But if you want to change the texture, all of these are related in a way. Remote.json, this is talking about the textures, and then these are the colors, and then this is talking about how the players hold it, and the colors that correspond to what super TNT. You don't have to worry about these are just resources. The textures, so you have the block texture, and then you have the item textures. Again, you'd have to change these if you want to change the textures. So nothing in here you're gonna have to change unless you have to change names, which I don't believe you have to do if you're changing the textures. But for the textures, you're gonna want to change all of those if you want to. And pack metadata, keep this at 15 depending on your version, and you can obviously change the textures using Blockbench. That is a soft 3D modeling software where you can create textures, create blocks, and you can even change the remote itself. Now I'll give you a tiny overview on that if you'd like it. So this is the remote I made. Very, very, very simple. Just takes a bunch of cubes. You can add a cube here. And what you can do is you can press Control S to save it, but you don't want to export it as an OBJ model or anything else, because that's used for 3D games such as Unity and stuff, but will not work in Minecraft. And the first time you save it, it's going to ask you to save all these texture.pngs. You have to save that because those are the texture.pngs that you're going to be using in these right here. That's all the textures. Now, the mods.tml, this is all the loaders and the versions and all that. You want to keep this the same unless, of course, you're using a different Minecraft version. But we're using this version, so we're fine. You could change this if you're using a different Minecraft version, but other than that, that's it. Now, thank you for watching my video. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you enjoyed. Now, get this video to 100 likes, and I will make a video explaining all of these scripts and telling you how to make this and put this together yourself. And I'll go more in depth on how to change all the stuff you want. Subscribe.